Hello everyone. So in this lecture, we'll be talking about how to set up a OpenVPN server. So at first, let's talk about what is OpenVPN. So OpenVPN is a full-featured SSL VPN which implements OSI layer 2 and 3 secure network extension using the standard SSL or TLS protocol that supports flexible client authentication method based on certificates, smart cards, and or username password credential, and allow user to group specific access control policies using firewall rules that apply to the VPN virtual interface. So OpenVPN is not a web application proxy and that does not operate through a web browser. So OpenVPN 2.0 expand on the capabilities of OpenVPN 1.0 by offering a scalable client or server mode, allowing multiple clients to connect on a single OpenVPN server process over a single TCP or UDP port. And OpenVPN includes a large number of improvement, including a full IPv6 supports and polar SSL support. So now we'll see how to set up a OpenVPN server under Windows. So OpenVPN, as I said, is a very powerful VPN which has a several advantage as it is free, compatible with most operating system, and it is kind of, I would say, easy to implement, and it is highly configurable. So first we have to download and open SSL. So in order to this, you have some prerequisites. So in order to create a connection certificates, we will have to install OpenSSL software library and personally use the ciproweb.com package. So just go and download OpenSSL light version. As you can see in here, we are using the light version of exe. OpenSSL 3.0 Lite. So I am using light version to test this out. You can use another version, but I will ask you to follow this same procedure. That's why I just choose the light version, and then after that, after download is complete, just simply open the executable file, and it will just ask you some basic installation process. As you can see, it will just tick I accept the agreement. Then next, select the default directory. Do not change this directory, make sure you select the default directory, then click next. Then name as OpenSSL, click next, and make sure you select this. In default it will be selected in here, the Windows system directory, but make sure you select this as OpenSSL binary directory. It is very important because it will install into this directory, that we will, otherwise we won't be able to connect our server that will be created. So make sure you just click or check this, and then simply just press install, and it will take some time, like 3 to 4 minutes, and just done. So I would suggest you, if you are able to donate, because it is free, so it will be helpful for developer to keep continue this software. So make sure, if you can, just donate $5 or $10. Then after that, what you have to do is, now we have to add OpenSSL in our environment variable. So we will add OpenSSL inside environment variable. So just go to your Windows machine, search run, and after opening run, it will be similar like this. Just simply type system properties advanced. So it will open up system properties. So this is the text. So simply just type this, and it will open up this system properties. In default, it will have computer name. So go to this bar, which is advanced toolbar. So in advance, just simply go at the end or bottom, just type environment variable because we need to add OpenSSL in here. So we have to change this environment variable. So just click environment variable. So after that, as you can see, we have couple of the variable for administrator like path, temporary and TMP. So but we will be using this one. So simply if you are not find it here, it may be bottom or up, so make sure you check the path directory. So simply just click edit. So make sure you select first, select the path, otherwise you cannot edit. Make sure you select path, then edit, then it will ask you to add this. So it will be blank, so make sure you create new, and after creating new, it will, you can type. So make sure you type similarly just like this. Make sure you don't forget to add. So this is the important part. So make sure you click new, then just simply type this line that you are seeing in this picture, and after that just simply press OK. And what this will do, it will create or add a OpenSSL in our environment variable. So after that, just simply press OK to cancel or done all this. And after that, just open a new Windows command to check if you can run OpenSSL command. So as you can see, OpenSSL version, if you just type OpenSSL version, if you fully follow my process, then it will have installed your OpenSSL. Otherwise, if you don't follow the same procedure, then it will show error. It will say that your OpenSSL is not installed. So make sure you follow all of those, and obviously add, this is the important, add a new environment variable in your Windows machine. So after that, after adding our environment variable, what you need to do is we need to install our OpenVPN. So just visit OpenVPN official website and then just download. So let me show you the process. So what you have to do now is you have to download OpenVPN as an installer. So here what you have to do, you have to create a download. So if you are using Ubuntu, make sure you install this for Ubuntu, Debian, Red Hat or CentOS. So make sure you download your package, and then we will be seeing the next process in our next lecture.